and we need to create a user for the front end. Let's give it a name for the login. It will be required for configuring the storefront. Give a password and create. Now we need to set it to is administrator and click save. So we now have to remember this username, this login, and the password we provided for this user in order to properly configure the storefront. So that is pretty much it for the backend part configuration. We can now go to the storefront, open Virto Commerce documentation, and under Getting Started, deploy storefront kit. You can see this link to the GitHub for the storefront project. Get this latest code from here. I already downloaded the project, and let's open storefront project, and specifically the app settings JSON file. What needs to be set here in order to connect the storefront to the cloud-based platform? So first of all, we need to set default store as my drones, the one we just created. Also, we have to set the URL to the platform. Next, we need to set the username. And this one is the user we created under the security menu. That's pretty much it for this file. Next thing is to set the CMS content to upload the theme there and properly name it. Now let's go to the root folder, and here under CMS content there is a themes, electronics, and the default theme there. Let's rename it to the store name we created, my drones. And that is pretty much it. And here are all the files for the default theme. So now let's start the build and run the project under IIS. Right, so the solution built, and we have storefront.